Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is S.O.G educational channel. We make videos on how to help students academically, and we also help them to solve some questions. And today we are going to be making a video on this topic that says polynomial division without remainder. And this is the question we are going to be solving today. You know, polynomial is one of the topics in maths that is very convincing. Without step-by-step tutorial about it, you will be convinced about it. Now let's do this question. 6x cubed minus 19x squared plus 16x minus 4 by 3x minus 2. Now the first step we make is to draw this table. This is what you are asked to divide. 6x cubed minus 19x squared plus 16x minus 4. And you are asked to divide it by what? 3x minus 2. Write that 3x here. 3x minus 2. Another thing you must know is that you are dividing each term of this polynomial by what is here. Dividing 6x cubed by 3x. Now let's try it now. 6. I'm just doing this for you to understand it. I want to write it somewhere here. 6x cubed divided by what? 3x. This s will cancel the 1x here. It will be left with s squared. 3 here 1, 3 here 2. So here now we are left with what? 2s squared. That means that when we divide 6s cubed by 3s, we get what? 2s squared. Write that 2s squared here. Now, the next step is to multiply what you got here with everything here and subtract it from here. So to avoid confusion, I always tell my students to write that minus here and put everything they multiply inside brackets. Now let's do it. 2s squared times 3s. That will be what? 6s cubed. You know, 2 times 3 is 6. S squared times s cubed. 2s squared times 2 here will give us, don't forget the minus here. 2s squared times minus 2 will give us minus 4s squared. Am I right? I think you are going on with us. 2s squared times minus 2 here will give us minus 4s squared. Now when subtracting this from this now, you should not forget this sign. This sign is affecting both of them here. That's not the 6s cubed minus 6s cubed is equal to what? 0. Minus 19s squared minus 4s cubed. So this thing here is the same thing as minus 19s squared minus 4s squared minus 4s squared. These are part of the confusing place in polynomial division. The use of these signs is very compulsory. This is minus for this one, this is minus for this one, and this is minus for this one. Now, minus times minus will give us what? Plus. This one is minus 19s squared plus 4s squared, which is also the same thing as writing 4s squared minus 19s squared. Do we agree? Now, subtract 4s squared, subtract 19 from 4s squared, give us what? Minus 15s squared. So, I think, do you agree to that? We write that minus 15s squared back here. That shows that our subtraction of minus 19s squared minus 4s squared give us what? Minus 15s squared. Back. You know that this now is become plus 16s minus 0. It gives us plus 16s. Minus 4 minus 0 gives us minus 4. Now, I think you understand it up to this point. Now let's continue. The next step is that you will now divide this polynomial again by the 3s here now. minus 15s squared divided by 3s. Let's write it down here. Minus 15s squared divided by 3s. All these things, you don't need to write it down in your calculation. I'm just writing them down so that you can understand it. Now, this s will cancel this square here now. In left is what? Ordinary s. 3 here 1, 3 here what? 5. That means that 15s squared divided by 3s will give us what? Minus, don't forget, 5. Minus 5x. Minus 5x. Now, that means that 3s divided by minus 15s squared divided by 3s will give us minus 5x. That's down here. Now, tell me the next step by yourself. The next step is what? Correct. Multiply this expression here by minus 5x again. That will be, don't forget, you are subtracting the multiplication from this one. So put your minus here, put everything in brackets. Minus 5x times 3x will give us what? Minus 15s squared. I think you understand. Minus 5x times minus 2 will give us what? Plus 10x. Minus 5x times 2 times minus 2 will give us plus 10x. All these things are part of what usually confuse students in polynomial. All these signs are very important in your polynomial division. Now let's continue. Minus 15s squared minus 15s squared. This is what they mean here. Minus 15s squared. Minus, that is minus 15s squared. This now will become minus 15s squared. Minus times minus will become plus 15s squared. I think you understand this now. This now is the same thing as what? 15s squared minus 15s squared. If we bring the minus 15s squared here and bring this 15s squared here, now that means that 15s squared minus 15s squared give us what? 0. So here we result in 0. I think you are understanding it. Now, plus 16s minus plus 10x. That's the same thing as 16x minus plus 10x. This is the same thing as 16x minus plus is minus 10x, which will give us what? 6x. Sorry, 6x. And since there's nothing here, minus 4 minus 0 will give us minus 4 also. Now minus 4. Now the next thing is to what? Divide this polynomial again by this 3x. Now 6x divided by 3x. That will be what? This x cancel this x. 3 here 1, 3 here 2. 6x divided by 3x will give us what? 2. So that 2 now, write it here. Plus 2. The next step is to multiply this expression here by this 2 again. That will be 2 times 3x will give us what? 6x. 2 times minus 2 will give us what? Minus 4. Plus 2 times minus 2 equals minus 4. Now subtract it from this expression here. That shows that 6x minus 4 minus 6x minus 4 will give us 0. Now our polynomial division has ended because we have already gotten 0. I think you understand it. This is a polynomial division without remainder. What you mean by without remainder is that there are some polynomials that when you divide them by a certain dividing, they will give you 0 as their last term. So here now we've gotten 0 from here. That means that this polynomial division is without a remainder. There are some instances in which you will get another figure here, maybe 5, maybe 2 or any numbers there. That is what we are going to do in our next video. A polynomial division with remainder. So with this, I think I've already cleared your confusion in polynomial division without remainder. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like our video, subscribe and share it among your friends. By Wednesday, I'm going to upload the next video that will be polynomial division with remainder.